Just an easy 80-minute drive north from Seattle is this breathtaking beachfront getaway on the northern tip of Whidbey Island. Just over Deception Pass Bridge, you arrive at the gated community of Surfcrest Drive on the west-facing shores of Oak Harbor. Set on over 200 feet of Whidbey's most unique waterfront with rolling sand dunes and whispering seagrass. Your backyard is Deception Pass State Park, a crown jewel of the Washington State Parks, featuring over 4,000 acres of ancient forest, saltwater shores, camping, and over 38 miles of hiking trails. The modern architecture, dramatic in design, complements its surroundings, highlighting the sprawling views of Puget Sound. The 1,500 square foot home sits on well over an acre and has the opportunity and infrastructure to build an adjoining estate home with up to 6 bedrooms. The current structure, built of low-maintenance, long-lasting materials, cement, mahogany, and vintage shipping details, will stand the test of the sea air while basking in its own beauty. Inside, the 2-story home has a perfect open-concept living space for entertaining on a warm summer day or playing games by the fire in blustery Northwest winters. There are 2 bedrooms on the upper level that can sleep 6 to 8 comfortably. Sip your coffee in the morning, overlooking the Pacific with the sound of the waves meeting the shore in the background. Spend your days crabbing, hiking, or even taking a short trip into the quaint town of Coopville for a plate of their world-famous Pen Cove mussels. At night, relax by the fire while taking in the northern lights and impressive display of stars. This beach home defines a modern-day vacation at its best.